Yeah, so I didn't want to overstep on um, Justin's work, or else I could have just copied his code over to the contract side of things. But I kind of want him to be part of like the commit history too. So
Gotcha.
yeah, that's why I haven't updated the contract to include like the curve and the inflation rate and all that stuff.
Yep. It's just getting started.
Exactly.
Yep. Now we got to add the fun stuff, like you said, the floor, the curve, the all that shit.
Yeah. I'm building the new update with like the um, one confirmation wait instead of waiting for two confirmations. So you can refresh. I don't know if your update will get it, but you can refresh.
Test. Somebody else just made a token too.
Yeah, I think that's for him.
Yeah,
Yeah. Nice. Dog fooding's going pretty good so far. So here, I'll go ahead and walk through this so you guys can see it. So you want to create a public goods? Yep, I do. I want to create an NFT. Call it. Oh. Inflation rate, we're going to do like 1.5. So we're deploying an ERC 721. There it goes. Yeah. Very cool. So then later we'll have these selectable to like take actions with them.
Yeah. So I guess the goal is being able to make all the Uniswap interactions from this UI. I remember the meeting that we had, that was kind of the conversation. So if someone needs to fund this, they don't need to go to another external site or somewhere else to handle anything. If you need to buy any, say for example, the NFT project, if you want to mint one, you can just mint it directly from the UI here. You can click on it, it takes you to a different page on the same site, and you can
Yep.
mint. And if you also want to fund it retroactively, you can just fund it from the UI as well without having to leave the site at all. So, and that's supposed to be 721.
I know. That's why I was being subtle about it. That's cool though. Okay. You. Then we could actually, it'd be cool if we could incorporate like multi-sig into each project and add members.
So, you remember the fix that we had earlier on to get being able to connect to like this app to scaffold it using the multi-sig?
Yeah.
So yeah, so if I can just get that change into this repo as well, that should get that going in a long way. Because if you do that, all you have to do, or you can just use Wallet Connect,
Yeah.
and then what you have to do is then connect to this site using a multi-sig and then deploy, and all the tokens get sent to the multi-sig. Right now, all the tokens get sent to the deployer, the person who actually deployed the contract itself. So right now you have 1,000 BG Crew NFT token, and for the Jax token, so you have however many that is, it's all in your wallet. If you go to um, I think if you go to Etherscan, you should be able to see it, but that's it.
This is a contract, right? We should have it verify too.
Yep. I haven't got into that one.
I can probably help you with that. I got pretty good at verifying.
Awesome. Thank you.
Flawless verifies. I can do it 3 different ways now.
Nice.
Well, yeah, we're having so much problems and the challenges with people verifying their contracts. And it's like, geez. Yeah. I like doing it in the deploy script. I put a wait after the last contract's deployed, depending on the network. So the bytecode gets propagated. And then I'll verify them right there in the deploy script. Etherscan verify. Hard hat, Etherscan.